Hi, welcome to my channel. This is the last video of Hibernate Swing. So let's run the project. In last video, we have uh, error of error message for the login. So for example, let's put here FF. Then our only account is admin for the username and admin for the password. So this is FF. So it needs there's error message here in the top, so let's press the login. Then there's no error message, so let's see what is the error of this project. So this user DAO implementation line 63, this one. So the solution is let's put try catch, then try no catch, then exception here, exception, then let's put system without that print line, then let's put here no user found. Okay, then let's copy this one. The solution of this is when they try to query, if there's no result, then it will catch the exception. But if there's an error here, if there's a correct login, then it will proceed to the condition, this one. So it will return to the user info value. So let's proceed. Let's put here, because we want to add data for the user. So let's change the user ID, which is, let's change to 1, means admin rule. Then proceed. Then let's run the project. Then let's close the previous running project. And let's see. Let's type here DDDD. Then enter login. Then there's a login is invalid. So let's put here admin. Then admin. Then I don't want to put error message using G option pin, because most of the user use keyboard. So let's log in. Okay, so it proceed to admin. Then um, let's add key press listener for the login. So go to gprim login. Then let's add here method, which is public void add login key listener. Then let's put here parameter, which is key adapter. Then key adapter. Then let's import the key adapter. Then let's put here J password field. Then let's add key listener, which is key adapter. So let's proceed to controller here. So let's add class here. So public, then login key listener, then extend, which is extend public. This is class. Then let's this extend key adapter. because we import the adapter in glogin. Then here let's add um, method, which is let's put here method public void k press. Okay, then the parameter is k event um, k event, this one. Then let's put event, then if event that get code, then equal k event that k uh, which is bk, then enter. Okay, so let's copy the statement from action perform, copy this, copy, then paste. Then let's add key listener, this, then gframe login, then add key listener. What is the login key listener? Um, add login key listener. This one. Then let's call this class login key listener. New login key listener. Okay. So let's try. I hope there's no error. So let's run the project. Run. Okay, so let's attempt admin, then enter. So proceed. So we are done. So I hope you learned from this Hibernate Swing series. So in next videos, I will give you free projects for this. Maybe I will give you Java, which is a Springboot with Swing. Then there's project only for backend, which is Springboot REST API. Then I will give you um, student management using Hibernate. Maybe five project I will give next week or this coming maybe tomorrow the start. So I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more free Java projects. Then maybe in next video, next series, I will give you series for which is Java effects and design patterns. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.